In this video, we'll install your custom RecDeck cover. Let's get started. Begin by installing the cover over the WaveRunners handlebars. Next, install the cover over the bow gunwale area and ensure the cover is over the bumper. After the front cover is installed, continue covering the seat and rear deck. Ensure the cover is pulled over the rub rail and that the clips are hooked under the rub rail. There is a zip-out stretchable pocket in the rear designed to accommodate covering with the multi-use rack or other accessories installed on the RecDeck. Next, buckle the strap under the RecDeck, and while holding the opposite side for the webbing, cinch the straps down tight. Finally, pull the two elastic drawstrings on the bottom front of the cover tight, and tie new knots in each string to cinch the cover around the rub rail. This completes the installation of your custom FX RecDeck cover.